Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 moved lower this morning, falling 0.52% to 10,384. Across Europe, markets were stronger, with the CAC 40 gaining 1.7% and the DAX rising 1.38% as investors reacted positively to improving risk sentiment. In the US, the Nasdaq added 0.29% overnight, while the S&P 500 was little changed. In company news, BT said annual earnings were broadly flat and announced further cost-cutting measures as the telecoms group looks to improve efficiency. Meanwhile, easyJet warned that conflict in the Middle East has weighed on summer bookings, raising concerns for travel demand during the holiday season. Against sterling, the US dollar and Swiss franc weakened slightly, while the euro and Australian dollar strengthened. Bitcoin also edged higher versus the pound. In commodities, copper and gold both declined, while Brent crude rose to just above $103 a barrel. Natural gas prices also moved modestly higher. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.